Hello, my new friends. It's Mrs. Stewart and my friend Pete. You can take your mask off. Pete the cat here, and we just want to welcome you to your new classroom. I've been so busy getting it ready for us, and I can't wait for you to get here next week. It's so boring with just the two of us. We need more friends to play with, so hurry, hurry, hurry. Get your things ready and get to school. We are so excited to have you here. Let me show you what we have been busy doing, right, Pete? We have been busy getting our classroom ready. Here you go. Here's a little sneak peek into our classroom. Here's our meeting area and the tables. And you can see our kitchen. And here's your cubbies for your towels. There's a door we come in, and the writing center. Tables again. All these baby dolls, they want some friends to play with. And I'm ready for someone to cook me something good in the kitchen area. Are you a good cook? I can't wait for you to make me something. Food. We have Mr. Potato Head. Have the books already, so you can sit in these fun little chairs and read some books. Here's our Big Joe, our little chair that we have some things that you can just have a minute to just relax. Little sand picture. Cool. And we have a sink. And boys and girls, this is our art center. This is where we'll do some painting and play with some Play-Doh and other fun stuff. And then we have our very own bathroom. And this is the door we use to go to the playground. Who likes the playground? Me. Oh, what, Pete? Oh, Pete says he loves the playground. Okay. Here's your cubbies. This is where you'll hang your coat. And those are your pencil boxes. Getting those all ready for you. And then here's our STEM bin center where we have some fun activities and things you can build with. And then back to our tables. Pete, are you taking a nap? Oh my goodness, it is not rest time, Pete. Oh boy. What am I going to do with him? And there's some blocks and some magnetiles. Oh, I can't wait to see what you're going to build with those. What, Pete? Oh, yeah, he loves to build with magnetiles. Okay, I will see you next week. Yay! Can't wait to meet you. Bye.